Hello dear friends, hope so you are doing so well. This is your host Salman Mirza in front of you. So in this today's video I am going to discuss about what is the public IP address and what is the private IP address, and also the further terminology, the further term that we will discuss is subnetting and why we use subnetting. Okay, so in this video all the concerns, all the concepts regarding these topics will be cleared. First of all, I highly request you just to pick up your notebook and write all the crucial, all essential information in your notepad, onto your notepad, to crack that interview about the information technology field, to get a job in an IT industry. Okay, so first of all I am going to discuss about what is IP address. Okay, recently in the recent video I have discussed about the IP address, what is IP address in very detailed. So in this video I am going to just give you a brief introduction of IP address. IP address basically represents the internet protocol that we use on our devices to connect globally in this world. Okay, and these IP addresses is basically assigned to us by our internet service provider systems. Okay, so this is basically a brief introduction of what is IP address. Okay, so in this video our next term is what kind of IP addresses we can use. There are basically two types of IP addresses, like public IP address and private IP address. Okay, so what is public address? Public IP, internet protocol address, is basically the address that we assign from our internet service provider companies, like you can say that PTCL, you can say that any of service provider company. Okay, and we globally access anywhere from by using the internet. Okay, this is known as basically the public IP address. So public IP address basically includes that we can access the public IP address from anywhere of the anywhere in the world. Okay, so this is the, you can say, the benefit of the public IP address. We can find on anywhere through the internet. Okay, so after that we are going to discuss about what is private IP address. Private IP address is basically used in the our computer labs, tech labs. All the computers are connected with each other to share data from one computer to another computer, and also all these computers are basically assigned the special private network code. You can also includes that 192.110.2.1. okay, this could be your IP address of the router. This is you can say that this could be the private internet protocol address from the router for your all the tech labs, pieces or computers. Okay, so this is all about the public IP address and private IP address. Okay, normally if we consider that the device, suppose that I have mobile phone, ठीक है. Okay, if I use this mobile phone over an internet, so I could access everything, anything from my phone by using the internet service provider services. Internet, I can access any of thing from my phone directly. Okay, this is known as public IP address, and in short the private IP address basically represents the very private IP addresses, like I already mentioned that 192.168.2.1. this could be that your private internet protocol service. Okay, after that I am going to discuss about what is subnetting. Subnetting is basically, as by name it is mentioned, that subnetting, a network that is further splitting into the multiple smaller group of networks is known as the subnetting. Okay, subnetting concept is basically used to manage all the internet system very easily. One of the biggest benefit of subnetting is that we can manage all the traffic on our internet very easily, and we can also manipulate all the internet by ourselves. Okay, this is all about the subnetting. Okay, why we need subnetting? Subnetting, you know that IPv4, basically Internet Protocol version 4, includes consists of 4.3 billion of total IP addresses in this world. So after that, IPv6 is invented to fulfill the need of further, if we need the further IP addresses. Okay, it contains basically 8 octets of IP addresses. Okay, so in the subnetting case, we further split one IP address into the further smaller number of groups, and also assign the network ID and the host ID to that IP. Okay, so this is our whole video regarding the subnetting, regarding the what is private network and what is public network. Okay, so this is all about the today's video. Hope so we in the next video we are going to discuss about what is VPN, virtual private network, and how it works. Okay, so thank you so much for the today's videos.